Hello, hello, kids, come sing along. Let's meet some animals with the sound and the song. Look, I am a cow. I say moo, moo, moo. I give you milk and I say how do you do. I am an elephant. I say pawoo, pawoo. Big, great body and a trunk too. I am a cat. I say meow, meow, meow. I like to nap on a pillow right now. I am a dog. I say woof, woof, woof. I wag my tail and sniff with my nose. Woof. I am a sheep. I say baa, baa, baa. My wool is fluffy, soft as a star. I am a horse. I say neigh, neigh, neigh. I gallop fast and I love to play. Woof. I am a lion. I say roar, roar, roar. I'm the jungle king. Hear me roar. I am a monkey. I say ooh, ooh, ah, ah. I swing on trees and dance cha-cha. I am a goat. I say maa, maa, maa. I eat green grass near and far. I am a bear. I say grr, grr, grr. I'm the honey and I growl for sure. So many animals, big and small, with funny sounds. Let's name them all. Come back and sing, we'll play again with moo and roar and the goats refrain.